Naam, zaidi ya wagonjwa 600 wamenufaika na matibabu bila malipo kwenye kambi ya matibabu iliyoandaliwa Kerugoya, kaunti ya Kirinyaga. Kupitia kambi hiyo, wanawake 25 watafanyiwa upasuaji wa kutoa uvimbe kwenye tumbo na katika hospitali ya ACK Mount Kenya Kerugoya. Idadi kubwa ya walioshiriki kambi hiyo walipatikana na matatizo ya macho pamoja na ngozi.
Zaidi, if you give me 10 seconds, it's 80,000. Had no. Give me so now has cost her health. Why do I say this?
The unique thing about this camp is we are using the technology of laparoscopy. When we talk about laparoscopy, we mean minimally invasive surgery. So we utilize small incision by introducing a camera inside a woman's abdomen and small instruments to perform procedures. Minimally invasive surgery, we felt that it significantly benefits women who from rural environment, because there are many advantages of this technology, which include less pain, less bleeding, quick recovery, and being able to go back to work pretty fast.
These laparoscopy surgeries will save all the 20 lives that we have planned to do. Up to now, we have done 3, which have been successful, and today we'll do a total of 7, and the others will be done tomorrow and on Tuesday.